Hello guys, review POCO X7 PRO, open box and look completation. In completation we have device in the yellow color. Okay. And Type-C cable in completation and protected back cover. That's all. We have MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra, 6000 mAh battery and 90 watt hypercharge, 1.5K display, 120 Hz and 50 megapixels main camera, IP68 water and dust resistance. Okay, double camera on the back side, LED. Turn on device, power button and wall buttons on the right side, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and slot for SIM cards, without headphones jack. Open settings, about phone, we have HyperOS version 2.0.8.0, Android 15. Okay, open Geekbench, look, results. Perfect results, very powerful. GPU test, Mali G720. Perfect results. Okay, open AnTuTu benchmark. AnTuTu benchmark results. Close this. PUBG Mobile works on the max graphic level, perfect level in PUBG Mobile. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.